what we are going to do now is practice for our Law of Cosines quiz. Okay, we're going to practice for our Law of Cosines quiz. Here is what the quiz is going to look like. It's actually going to look a lot like the one you just took. It's going to have a triangle on it. And I'm going to tell you some stuff about the triangle. Like this is 15, and this is 18, and this is 47 degrees. And then you're going to find everything that's missing. So you're going to find angle H, angle S, and side C. So it looks exactly like the quiz you just took. The difference is you can't use the law of sines. Can someone tell me how I know I can't use the law of sines on that triangle? I don't have a set. Remember, to use the law of sines, you have to have a set. So I don't have a set. You all understand what I mean? I don't have a set. I don't have a set. If you don't have a set, then you're going to have to use the law of cosines. Okay? Now the law of cosines is the big long one. And at one end is the cosine of the angle, 47. What is at the other end? C squared. Very good. If you're putting angle C into your equation, then side C is the one that's over here all by itself. Now, what's in the middle there? 15 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 15 times 18. Don't forget that plus sign there. I noticed when I was working with some kids yesterday, they were forgetting to put a sign there. That's a plus, always plus. So it's 15 squared plus 18 squared minus 2, always 2, 15 times 18 times cosine 47. Straightforward, nothing tricky. So now we can just type that in on our calculator. And you all have a calculator. Please type it with me to make sure you can. 15 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 15 times 18 times cosine 47. Now, when you hit equals, you don't have the answer yet. What is that? That is C squared. So now we have to take the square root of that number. When I do it, I hit my square root key and then second answer. And it pulls that right down and I don't have to retype it in. So we've done that a million times. So if you want to learn how, you need to come back outside of class. We don't have time to go back through all of it again. Somehow get 13.44.
Where's the answer at?
Okay. Now, then you did it wrong, because that's what we get. 13.44. Now, take a look at what we have at this point. What do we have at this point? Now we have a set. So now we can do our law of sines. So the law of sines is not this. The law of sines is the proportion, right? Now, I just randomly picked S. We've talked about this before. Do I have to start with S over 15? No, I could do H over 18. It doesn't matter. Got to do one of them. So here's my set. Sine of the angle over the side. Malcolm and Jalen, since you guys didn't know this, you weren't really paying attention, this is the law of sines. Sine 47 over 13.44 equals sine S over 15. That's the law of sines. So now how do I solve that?
Well, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna cross multiply, so 13.44 sine S equals 15 sine 47. Now, this is your variable, it's not separatable, so what am I gonna divide by? 13.44. So sine S equals that fraction. Now, if you type in that fraction, that will not be the answer. We got to second sign it. Anytime you're looking for an angle, that's not what I mean. Anytime you're looking for an angle, you have to second sign it.
Our quiz, we were looking for sides, right?
Yes, you didn't have to do that on your quiz.
So easy.
Not on today's quiz. You'll have to do it tomorrow, but you didn't have to do it today.
So all you have to do is just, once you get like,
Second sign, 15 sine 47 divided by 13.44. I got, what is it, S? I got 54.71. Now, take a look at the scenario. This is kind of like how your quiz started. Your quiz started with 2 angles today, right? So hopefully you found the third angle by just adding and subtracting from 180, right? So that third angle, if I just subtract from 180, is 78.29. That is my law of cosines and actually and sines, both in this problem. Okay? So this is what tomorrow's quiz looks like.
I thought you said next. I thought you said the next 3 classes.
No, that's our test. That's your test.
whoa.
Your quiz is next time.
You said
Okay, I'm glad you corrected me then. Your quiz is next time. Your test is in 3 class periods. Okay, your chapter test. So the quiz, we do this, if we have class tomorrow, we have a quiz tomorrow, yes. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Now, if you pay attention and we get through our lesson, we'll do another one at the end of the period. So let's stay focused and get some work done. Okay, all right, so according to my records, we're ready for the back of page 42.